Vectors. What are they? And no, I'm not talking about the guy from Despicable Me. Instead, I am talking about a concept that will build the foundation for most of your physics journey. It can be used in most of the concepts I will cover going forward. So what exactly are vectors? Vectors are simply any quantities that have two important things: magnitude and direction. A magnitude simply means how much. This can be how much speed, how much weight, or anything else. And a direction is where they are headed. This may sound quite confusing. So here we bring none other than Barry Allen to explain it. Everyone, can we have a big round of applause? Barry Allen, more commonly known as the Flash, has had decades of experience with vectors. They pretty much govern his entire career as a superhero. The Flash's power set is quite simple. He can move at superhuman speeds, even faster than the speed of light. This means that when running around the world, he always has to be mindful of the direction he is running in. If there were no direction to his speed, he would just be standing still. But with direction, he begins to travel and run at exceptional speeds, which is the most popular aspect of his power. But that's not all. Did you know a particular vector can explain why the Flash runs through buildings instead of around them? This vector is called displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points, and it is dependent on the direction. This vector is very different from the scalar quantity distance, because distance doesn't rely on direction, but rather on the path traveled. Now the displacement between points A and B in the picture above is the same in both cases, but the distance differs. In the right building, the displacement is the same as the distance, the shortest distance between 2 points. But in the left building, they're different. What this means is that unlike us regular humans, who must look at the distance between two places according to the obstacles in order to get an estimate of how long it will take, by referring to the displacement instead, Barry can efficiently conserve his energy in ways that help him save the world several times over. Just one example of how vectors are immensely important in the world. You have been watching another episode of Super Science. This is the show where I show you how superheroes use physics, and you absorb this information and become a physics master yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, read comics, and watch movies. Super Science out!